Transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Let us learn first about the transport of oxygen. About 97% of oxygen is transported by RBC in the blood. The remaining 3% of oxygen is carried in a dissolved state through the plasma. Oxygen can bind with hemoglobin in a reversible manner to form oxyhemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a red-colored iron-containing pigment present in the RBC, and each hemoglobin molecule can carry a maximum of 4 molecules of oxygen. Here you can see the red blood cells, and the hemoglobin also is shown, which is present inside the RBC, and oxygen diffuses into the RBC. Binding of oxygen with hemoglobin is primarily related to partial pressure of oxygen. Now, the partial pressure of carbon dioxide, hydrogen ion concentration and temperature are the other factors which can interfere with this binding. A sigmoid curve is obtained when percentage saturation of hemoglobin with oxygen is plotted against the partial pressure of oxygen. Here you can see the sigmoid curve obtained when percentage saturation of hemoglobin with oxygen is plotted against the partial pressure of oxygen. So this curve is called oxygen dissociation curve and is highly useful in studying the effect of factors like partial pressure of carbon dioxide, hydrogen ion concentration, etc. on binding of oxygen with hemoglobin. Just to observe this beautiful diagram of oxygen dissociation curve. In the alveoli, where there is high partial pressure of oxygen, low partial pressure of carbon dioxide, lesser hydrogen ion concentration and lower temperature, the factors are all favorable for the formation of oxyhemoglobin. Here is the picture of showing the formation of oxyhemoglobin. In the tissues where there is low partial pressure of oxygen, high partial pressure of carbon dioxide, high hydrogen ion concentration and higher temperature, the conditions are all favorable for dissociation of oxygen from the oxyhemoglobin. Here is the oxygen transport cycle. Observe and try to understand. So it is clear that oxygen gets bound to hemoglobin in the lung surface and gets dissociated at the tissues. Every 100 ml of oxygenated blood can deliver around 5 ml of oxygen to the tissues under normal physiological conditions.